Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Step into modern elegance with contemporary living room floor tile designs that redefine the essence of your space. These innovative flooring options seamlessly blend aesthetic appeal with practical functionality, offering a perfect balance of style and substance. Whether you opt for sleek, large format tiles or intricate patterns that make a bold statement, each design is testament to the sophistication of contemporary interior aesthetics. The interplay of texture and tones creates a visually stunning foundation, setting the stage for a chic and inviting atmosphere. Explore a spectrum of materials from porcelain to ceramic that not only enhance the visual appeal but also ensure durability and ease of maintenance. These living room floor tile design act as canvas for personal expression, allowing you to tailor your space to reflect your unique taste. Transform your living area into a heaven of modern luxury where every step is a delight. On these exquisite contemporary floor tiles. Thanks for watching. Watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.